Can you hear me? Yes. I was told that it's time to start. Hello, everyone. I'm Bertrand Van Schweig. I'm the director of the Research Center INRIA here in Rennes. So my goal is to open this meeting. I'm very pleased to welcome you all here. I hope that you'll have two interesting and great days. There will be a lot of clouds and hopefully no rain. You have blue sky. Blue sky, and especially I think it will be very pleasant for tonight when you will go to the Château d'Apigné with the nice weather, etc. I think you will really enjoy the place. And I'm sure you will also enjoy the very interesting program that has been put up together. So my role here is just to give you a few words about what we do here at INRIA. Generally speaking, you know that INRIA is the French Research Institute on Computer Science and Applied Mathematics. I'm sure you all know that. We have 8 research centers in France. 3 of them are with our EIT ICT Labs center. The node is in Paris, and the 2 satellites are Sophia and Rennes. So here you are in one of these satellites. So the ICT Labs satellite nodes are co-located with INRIA node and with others, of course. Here you are in this building. This is a nice picture of this building with this amphitheater. So we say that we are an interesting research player on computer science for the digital world with a rich ecosystem of research and innovation cluster. This is very important. Here in Rennes you will find a variety of research institutes, academia, universities, large and small companies, which make this place a very interesting place for computing, for computer science, and for applied mathematics, and then for cloud computing, of course. In this center, let's say you have some of the figures that, for this center. This is not altogether INRIA. This is just this center here. Between 600 and 700 persons in general, more or less. We are in Rennes, but also in Nantes and Lannion, in different places. 33 project teams. INRIA is organized in project teams, and you will see some project teams later on. I will be very brief. We are very proud of our ERC leaders, our ERC awardees. We have 5 of them, some including some in this room. And so also we do publication, we have lots of scientists, we do patents, etc. I don't want to tell you all the things. It's just that it's an interesting place to be in. I was talking about our ecosystem for research. So here you see that we are in connection with a lot of research players, universities like Rennes, universities, Nantes universities, and others, higher education, engineering schools like ENS, like INSA, and others, and also other research organisms, other research institutes, and that we collaborate with. We also, of course, collaborate with the local authorities. We collaborate with the local research communities, and also with clusters like Images et Réseaux, which is our main cluster here, which is a pôle de compétitivité for images and networks. We also have a very interesting ecosystem for transfer and partnership, a lot of big and small companies. You see on the left of this picture, you see a number of large companies with which we collaborate, including some of them who are in this room, of course. Technicolor, I've seen people from Canon, I've seen people from Thales, etc. We also have a number of, in the Images et Réseaux cluster, there are more than 200 SMEs, and so we collaborate with some of the SMEs. We also have some of the SMEs that are startup from this center. The transfer players like the IRT, Institut de Recherche Technologique, Technological Research Institute, BICOM, is something very important that has been started, I would say, 1 or 2 years ago. We are part of that. We're also part of other bodies, and including, of course, the EIT ICT Lab. So really, here in Rennes, we benefit from this network, this ecosystem, which is really a great opportunity for making a lot of interesting research and applications. Our main research topics, you see them. We divide them into ICT science and ICT for science, or science with ICT. So in the ICT science topics, you will see the cloud computing part, I would say, like software and hardware for systems and networks, etc. So this is really the part where people on cloud computing do work, and also big data and interaction, of course, some relationship with all that, large-scale data management, interaction between systems, real and virtual worlds and users, so etc. And we also have two big domains, science with ICT. One is also all that is related to mathematical and symbolic modeling for different applications, and one which is specialized on ICT for life science and health. So, for example, the robotics team is counted in that, but also the bioinformatics teams, etc. So, altogether, these are the 33 teams of our center. Our priorities in our strategic plan at the moment, we are in a 4-year strategic plan. So we work on software reliability. I mean, this is where we are putting some emphasis at the moment. And some other domains like virtual human, like future manufacturing and big data. So some of them are related with what you are going to do here for these 2 days. Some others less, but it's normal. We do many things. I'm very quick. So you have here, and I'm not expecting that you read that, you have a picture of the 33 research teams, that are the squares in colors, and the keywords that they refer when they talk about their business. So if you look well, so we have these 4 domains and the teams connected through keywords. If you look well, you will see the cloud and big data keywords right here. Look again, okay, can you see them? You have big data, cloud computing here. And so I just do a quick zoom on that to show you the different teams that work on cloud computing here. So you have the pure cloud computing teams like Myriad or like Ascola in Nantes. You have some other teams which are related to that, like ASAP. Also, Anne-Marie will give a talk later today. And you also have the big data teams which are connected to this environment of cloud computing, such as the Care Data team, which is doing high volume mass storage and storage and access, and also the machine learning teams, etc. So you'll see here a network of something like 10 teams which are very close to the topics that you are going to discuss today. And this is all that I wanted to say for now. I leave the floor to Jean-Marc, who will talk about IRISA. Of course, we are a member of IRISA, but Jean-Marc will explain that. Thank you.